Madhubani art is a style of Indian painting which is originated from the Mithila region of Madhubani district in Bihar. This is done with a variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks using natural dyes. It is a type of painting which is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical patterns. Madhubani art is also known for representation of ritual content in special occasions like festivals and religious rituals. The origins of Madhubani art are quite unknown. However, it is believed that King Janak, ruler of Mithila kingdom in 8th or 7th century BCE, had asked to develop these paintings in order to capture the movements of his daughter Sita's wedding to Prince Ram. Madhubani is a folk painting of northern India, mostly practiced by women in the villages who have passed this art to their daughters through multiple generations. Madhubani art is 2500 years old and is said to date back to the time of Ramayana, when King Janak asked an artist to capture his daughter Sita's wedding to Prince Rama. The main colors used are yellow, red, orange, blue and green, because the colors naturally depicts the nature, the sky and along with many Indian traditions and culture. And also, in earlier days, people used to make these colors with the help of flowers, fruits and many parts of plants. Saris with Madhubani art depicts different styles and aspects of nature quite in vogue these days. Madhubani saris also speak out the intellectual taste of the wearer. Not only on saris but also on different home decor items like wall hangings, trays and etc. Let's pursue this art of Madhubani coming from 2500 years without stopping it here. Let's respect our Indian art culture.